get started, I have this last video clip on my timeline with some trippy effects that aren't playing back properly, hence the red bar. To fix this, you can render an individual clip by selecting it on the timeline and pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Okay, and now when I play this back, it works like a charm. If the Enter key doesn't work for whatever reason, you can also select your clip and go up to Sequence Render Selection. And I'm just going to cancel this because I already showed you the final result, but let's say you want to render all your clips on the timeline at once. To do that, simply go back up to Sequence and select Render in 2 out. Then once this is finished, all your clips will play back smoothly and have the green bar over them. Alright, and that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.